Today we got a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is Sephora Bandits Caught Red-Handed.
On July 19th, 2024, police responded to Sephora in reference to an in-progress retail theft involving two female suspects.
Listen, right now, let's go over here to the corner, because I gotta talk to all you guys about whatever Sephora stuff, okay?
Okay.
So, go over here, take a seat. Go over here, take a seat. Yeah, or just lean against the wall. Do you guys got IDs on you?
No, I have mine.
Alright, how old are you guys? How old are you guys?
I'm 19.
19. You guys are all above 18?
Yeah.
Alright. You don't have anything with your name on it? Like credit card, you know, stuff like that?
Yeah, put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands over here.
Okay. So, you said she's
You fine? Okay. Sit over here.
Sit over here. Take this off, put your hands behind your back. What is going on?
Right now, you guys are being detained for the shoplifting investigation. So, did you write it? So, her too? Yeah. All right, here. I'm gonna put your phone. I'm gonna put your phone and bag down so I don't drop your phone. Okay.
Just put my phone right here. Ooh.
Well, at least they not acting out. That's one good thing I can
You
say.
don't have any ID on you? It'll just make it easier to find you.
I don't have it.
No? Okay.
Of course they ain't got no ID. Never got an ID.
How's it going, man?
What's going on, man?
Not much. What do you got for me?
Another green paradise.
Yeah?
Basically, they walked in. I was on the sales floor, so I noticed her right away with the girl with the shades and the hat, plus the bag. I looked at her. She didn't smile at me or anything. She just
Was she involved at all or no?
The one with
The one that's standing right there.
No,
She wasn't involved.
She was just doing makeup. Honestly, I think she was just a distraction. But I watched these two, and they separated, and they went by skincare, selected our skincare products. I watched them put it inside the bag from the CCTV, so I got clear footage of them concealing it. She placed an item inside her jacket, and then she put it inside her bag and took out the item in her jacket. They walked out, and that's when I called you guys.
Okay.
And I followed them down there, and I guess they saw me following them, so they turned back and they came this way.
Okay. We're going to walk over to your office and just look through the stuff. Okay.
They usually park in the back by Neiman Marcus.
They do?
Yeah, because she asked me where the exit was, the one with the cap, and they work in a team.
Okay.
And the escape vehicle gotta be in the back.
Oh, so they have a vehicle in the back.
No doubt. That's how they come. They come to the truck court, which is not for employees.
They're repeat offenders, I'm guessing.
I got you. I'll walk over there. Just give me 1 second. He says fine, yeah.
All right, you're good to get out of here. I can't just get out of here. Well, you're gonna have to walk
You're going to leave,
over
yeah.
here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You better move expeditiously, quick. You better get up out of here. They said you could slide. You just the lookout person, so you could slide. Oh, I can't leave. It'd be in your best interest to get up out of here, boy. Facts. You better call them when they get done, you better catch up with them when they get done, going down to the station and all that. You better head your little ass on down to the food court now.
I'm going to go with him real quick. Do you mind to sit with them?
Yeah.
I read both. I read her. Do you read her?
I did.
Perfect. All
You
right.
gonna ask for anything, or?
Just hold off right now, yeah. Yeah, thank you. Be right back.
The officer then reviewed the video surveillance and saw both suspects working together to hide numerous items in their bags.
How do you pronounce your first name again? So again, my name is Officer Timothy, all right, with the Coca-Cola Police Department. Again, you're detained right now, all right, for my investigation, okay? So I'm going to afford you the opportunity right now.
I can't hear you.
And I'm going to afford you the opportunity right now to be honest with me and tell me what's going on today. What happened in the Sephora? Why am I here?
Why I'm here?
Why am I here? And why are you in cuffs right now? I'm going to let you think I have cameras on every single angle in that store.
He sees me take something.
Okay. So did you take something?
Did I take something?
Yes.
I was looking and stuff like that, and I was trying on stuff.
Okay.
That's not answering the question. Yes or no?
Again, right? I'm trying my best to work with you, right? Because it goes a long way. If you're honest with me in the front end of my investigation, it goes a long way, right? I already watched all the camera footage. I know exactly what happened. It's seeing if you're going to be willing to work with me and talk to me and tell me what happened.
What
Okay?
you mean? I'm already like in this predicament.
Okay.
You already
Well,
captured my data with.
Okay, so here's the thing. Again, if you don't want to talk, you want to tell me what happened, that's fine, right? You're saying, hey, he told you that he saw you take something and you're not admitting to it right now. You're still detained. If you're not asking, if you're not going to answer any more of my questions, that's fine. Just hang tight, right?
So you didn't purchase anything at the store? Okay. So why are they saying that you took stuff from the store? Why are they saying that you took stuff from the store?
I don't know. I have a bunch of makeup stuff in my bag because I do like my makeup, but all my makeup stuff is in my bag.
So all your makeup stuff's in there?
Like what I brought from home.
None of the stuff from their store is in your bag? So like I said, they have video of you being in there.
Yeah.
So would it make any sense that they're watching you while you're putting stuff into your bag?
Would it make any sense?
You're saying you didn't take anything, but they're watching you on the camera while you're sticking stuff in your bag. Is that an accurate statement? Yes. So what in that bag belongs to Sephora?
I just got ordinary from there.
You got ordinary?
Yeah.
Is that the skincare or is it makeup?
No, the skincare. That's all I got.
Okay. What kind of skincare? Is it like oil, face wash?
It's for your face, but I think it's just like acne.
Acne stuff? Okay. Now when you got that, who selected it? You or her? Did you take it off the shelf or she did?
When I got the ordinary, I took it off.
You took it off the shelf. Where did you put it?
It's in my bag.
No, I know, but did you stick it in your bag? Did you walk around with it?
No, I didn't walk around.
Okay, so you just stuck it straight in your bag. Okay. Do you have money to pay for any of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you try to pay for it before you left? Okay. So you went in there with the intent to take something without paying, right?
No, not necessarily.
Okay. So at some point, you came to the conclusion, I'm going to take this without paying. Is that accurate? Okay. I got you.
We're good. Yeah.
She did a good job.
Is going to go through, I said Officer Kuhn, right? This is the officer that's standing here with you. She's going to go through your bag, right? And take out the items that you took, all right? Is this your bag right here? Okay. And this is your phone on top of it, correct?
I didn't know where my phone went.
No, I have your phone, yep.
Oh.
Yep. If you don't mind just going through it.
Yeah, I got you. Is there anything else or just...
I got to go see because apparently there's a bunch of stuff.
She's saying this, like the ordinary. Was it just one bottle or two?
It was two.
Two?
Everything else in there is my makeup stuff that I regularly use.
Do you want to have him come over here and take a look through it?
Yeah.
There's a bunch of stuff.
I'll walk it over there with him so it's
Okay.
easier so we're not playing back and forth. But I know for sure you're saying that it's these two, correct? Okay. All right. Sit tight. Like I said, you're still detained right now, as are you. I'll be right back, all right? Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
I think that's not bad yet.
I'm going to grab that as well.
Go ahead and go.
Okay.
But don't take my whole bag.
Well, I'm taking your whole bag because right now, again, you're detained, okay? So you're telling me before that you didn't take anything, but there's going
I
to
didn't
be...
say I didn't take anything. I just said he told you that I took something.
Okay. I'm asking you straight up, right? Because regardless, you're taking a ride with me today. I said, regardless, you're taking a ride with me. You're going to jail
I
today.
can hear you.
You're going to jail.
Okay.
You're under arrest, right? So this is simple. I want to go through your bag and make sure, hey, what exactly you took is going to go back to them. If you're saying there's other stuff in here that belongs to you that you paid for, you need to let me know.
You can what you call it?
Okay.
I just gotta see what you're taking out though.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Go ahead.
You took this?
Yes.
Is this from Sephora?
Yes, it is.
Okay, the stuff you did not pay for, correct?
Right.
Okay. Yes? That's it? The 3 items? Nothing. This? Okay.
That's mine.
All right. Can you just search this one? Yeah. I'm going to bring this one over there because there might be more in here. Okay.
Are you good if I switch out with someone? And then
100%.
O'Neill's here, I mean, for the church.
Yeah, no, 100%. Yeah.
Appreciate
Thank you.
it.
Yep,
Thank you.
right back. All right.
Okay.
My knees are ringing.
Okay.
So we had a bunch of items. I just want to make sure. Yeah, it's yours. So these 4 items.
Look, this is on another note, but my guy right here, my guy winning, boy. My boy working around all the girls. Hold up, boy. Hold up. My boy doing his thing. Hold on. Damn, I need what? I need to start going in Sephora. Okay. I ain't got nothing to buy though, but
My knees are ringing.
Okay.
So we had a bunch of items. I just want to make sure. Yeah, it's yours. So these 4 items in here. This is what the girl in the blue dress, the tight blue dress, said that she took.
Okay.
Those 4 items. So far, the woman in the pink hat with the sunglasses said she just took these 2 ordinaries. She's got a bunch of different makeup in here. It all looks older, right? Do you see anything in there that is from your store? I didn't see anything because it all looks used.
Got it. Yeah, she took these out of the box.
Out of the boxes. Okay. Okay. Everything else, again, looks like it's all old and it's hers.
On that one. That's all.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Not opened. Okay.
That's the first one.
That's the first one. Okay.
Remember, I don't have these emails. Like, 30 seconds available to you right now.
Okay. Perfect. She's out there, but she's leaving in 30 minutes. I just wanted to get another officer out there. That's all. That's all good.
listen, going to jail over some makeup, man, that's gotta be, come on. That don't even make no sense. I get it, you know, things must be expensive or whatever the case may be, but you gonna get caught. You getting caught. Man, so stupid. I don't understand it. The one girl took 3 items, 3 small little items. The other one took what, maybe four or 5, whatever, but you gonna get a record because of something so petty like this, man. Just, I don't get it. Just go, I don't know, maybe work some overtime or something if you need, you know, if you want a new, whatever, a makeup, whatever they put on their face, but.
Almost done, man. I appreciate it.
Going to jail over some acne cream, ain't this something?
Okay. He's gonna walk over real quick, just take pictures of them, and then we can search. 15. All right, so listen, you're gonna be placed under arrest right now for retail theft.
15?
Okay? What's that? You'll be placed under arrest for retail theft. Okay, you understand? Yes. Taking items out of a store, right? Acting in concert with your friend, take all these items out. So you're being placed under arrest, okay? Officer Coon's gonna search you real quick, and then we're gonna bring you to the police department to finish paperwork, all right? All right, stand up. 1, 2, 3. Which one's yours?
So we can take it. This one? I'll go with you guys. Are you going to
But T-Money parked over there. I'm over here. All right, we'll walk this way.
They were both charged with retail theft. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like.
It's like they not even embarrassed or nothing. Like, it's just, you know, and then they not gonna get no time for this at all. You know, they were probably out within maybe 2 hours. Go down there, get your little summons or booking or whatever. You out within 2 hours. Probably gonna get no time. Just have to pay. You know, well, they returned the merchandise, so yeah, it's probably just pay some court fees and call it a day. And another in a year or a couple of months, they'll be right back down this road. I mean, the latest makeup came out, or the latest lipstick or whatever, you know, that came out, so they got to get it. You know, they got to have it. Ladies, you know how y'all is with y'all makeup now. You got to get it, okay? And then they just gonna go back and steal or something, you know. Can't make this stuff up. But anyway, I think the officers overall did a pretty good job, honestly. Especially the female officer, she did a real good job questioning the other chick with the glasses and everything. I really like how she did that, and she was able to pull that information out of her, clear on camera, admitting to it, whatever. But yeah, that was good. Anyway, so I'm giving them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.